For today's video is how to fix when your account has been temporarily locked on Instagram. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. If you're getting a message like this, there's a couple of different reasons for it. Either Instagram has indicated that you're using a third-party app. One of those third-party apps are used to follow or unfollow your users to get more likes. Any of those kind of things that are banned from Instagram. If they indicated that you have that app on your phone, they're going to lock you out until you delete that app. The other reason for you to get a temporary lock is from putting in the wrong password too many times. It's going to think that you're trying to hack into your account that's going to lock you out. So if you want to get out of this and go ahead and lock your account, you want to go ahead and hit continue. If you're not seeing this message anymore, it's really easy. You can go ahead and just type into your Google or your Safari to type in Instagram account disabled form. It will bring up an Instagram help center from Facebook. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to be on the form that you find. If you just push to continue on that notification, it's going to bring you here too. Go ahead and fill out the information here. Your first name, your email associated with the account, your Instagram username, your mobile number associated with the account, and in the description. Go ahead and put down whatever happened, explaining yourself in a really polite way, but giving as much detail as possible. Saying either you put the wrong password because you forgot your password, here is the information, or say you deleted any third-party apps and you were unaware that you weren't allowed to have them. And then just explain your case there and then hit send. And within 24 hours, Facebook or Instagram will be getting back to you to help you unlock your account. If you guys have any question on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.